I want to take you to the fifth dimension. Okay. I mean, you got to trust me. Just trust me on this one. I want to take you to the fifth dimension. Understand what the fifth dimension is. Okay. Fifth dimension is your spiritual world. But everything starts in the spiritual world first. All right. And we use the word spirit because we just can't see it. We really can't explain what that is. But we can experience it because we can close our eyes right now and we can think about certain things and we can picture certain things and we can feel those things happen in our body, which starts to influence our genes. And when you start to influence your genes and your genetic makeup, then you start making different type of decisions. Autopilot, automatically. Am I making sense? Okay, so what I want you to do is, okay, as you're listening to my voice, first go to a place that's quiet. It's very important. Like right now, I'm in my bedroom. I'm on the 20th floor of my condos here. My door is shut. I can't hear anything. I can hear you breathing, though. And I just can hear my voice, just like you hear my voice. And I want you, as you're laying there or sitting there, concentrating on my voice, I want you to be aware of your knees. I want you to be aware of your thighs. And your thighs are now in a very relaxed state. And I want you to be aware of your shoulders. Your shoulders, too, are in a very relaxed state. And it doesn't matter if your eyes are open or closed, because the suggestions in what you're about to experience is still going to work with autopilot easily. The words that I'm talking and giving you, you'll be able to experience what is called the fifth dimension. And as you are aware of your feet that is planted on the floor, or maybe your legs are laid down in the bed, I want you to either open your eyes or close your eyes, and I want you to picture yourself walking on a beach. And I want you to just pick any beach you want. It could be Bora Bora, it can be the Maldives, or it can be Puerto Rico. Picture yourself walking on the beach, and as you're walking on the beach, you can feel the sand between your toes. You can hear the ocean across the rocks crashing. As you take a deep breath right now and you blow it out slow, you go deeper. And it doesn't matter if your eyes are open or closed. It doesn't matter, because my voice is guiding you and taking you into a new world, the world that is a non-physical world. As you're on that beach and as you hear the birds and the seagulls pass you by, as you can feel the wind across your face, for the first time in a long time, you're in a very cool place of happiness, of love, of joy. You're in a good place right now, and you can feel all those emotions happen to you right now. And as you're walking, and as you're feeling the wind, I want you to think about your life, and I want you to think about everything that is working out perfectly. And everything in your life for the first time in a long time is working out exactly how you want it. And not just that, the business that you want to create, guess what? Is done. You have employees, you have people that's working the business, so you can travel the world with your children. Your children are happy. I want you to see your children coming inside the house and they're happy and they're smiling. Why? Because you made perfect decisions about your life. And as you're still walking across the beach, what you're doing, you're just remembering all the struggles, all the trials and tribulations that you went through. And you're going to say this to yourself: it was all worth it. Man, everything was worth it. Everything that I went through, everything that I experienced, it was all worth it. Because now I'm rich, I'm wealthy, I'm healthy, I'm happy, and I'm excited. And I want you to feel that excitement right now inside of your body. I want you to feel that intensity. I want you to think about the most exciting moment of your life. Maybe it's when you graduated college. Maybe when you got your new baby boy, new baby girl. Maybe it's when you graduated high school. I don't know. Maybe when you married the one or the person of your dreams. Maybe when you got your first cell line. I want you to remember that. And I want you to feel that emotion. Now I want you to intensify that emotion. And remember, your eyes can be open or closed, but you intensify the emotion. And I want you to make it bigger and greater inside of you, more colorful inside of you. And you can feel it. You feel that happiness and that joy when that thing happened to you in your life. And some of you tears may fall down from your eyes because you're happy now. For in a long time, you're happy because everything is perfect. Life is perfect. You got perfect health. And I want you to see yourself blessing your parents. You've now blessed your parents with a beautiful home, beautiful car. Why? Because you made very, very wise decisions about your future. That now that you're thinking more positively, all that you want is now coming to you effortlessly. And you're feeling so relieved. You have tears of joy in your eyes right now as you're still walking on that beach and thinking about your mom calling, your dad calling and said, thank you, son, thank you, daughter, for doing this for us. Man, you blessed us. You're so smart. You're so amazing. I want you to feel that right now. And as you're feeling it, you'll understand that you're now in the fifth dimension. You're in your mind. But this is your world. And this world that you're in right now is real. It's tangible. You can feel that sand, can't you? You can smell the air. You can smell the ocean. You can hear the ocean as it crashes against the rocks. You can hear the compliments of the people that admire you now because you're making smart decisions in business, in life, with your entire world. Because now you're creating your perfect reality. Feel that perfect reality. Feel that new mind. How do you feel? I want you to be honest with me. How do you feel right now? How do you feel right now? Honestly, what you have done was this. You have went to the place that you want to be in your physical world. You were already there.